Krishna says, for my devotees who chant my names with Preeti, Tesham satata yuktanam bhajatam Preeti purvakam dadame buddhi yogam tam. If somebody is calling me with love, and they are also always engaged in devotional service, I give them the sadbuddhi to come to me. And non-devotees, I don't give them buddhi. They are busily preoccupied with engaging in sense gratification, nonsense. So I leave them to do what they want. But because my devotees are interested in coming back to me, I give them the intelligence, he says. So, why did I emphasize on the glories of devotional service? Because Krishna is doing so much for us. We have to ask the question. What question we have to ask? Yeah? What are we doing for him? Like we may offer Krishna with 2 hands, but he is offering with 1,000 hands back. You know that fruit when the lady offered little bit to Krishna, some fruits, and Krishna filled up her basket with so much. Sudama Brahmana gave some chipped rice to Krishna. Krishna gave him a big house with hundreds of servants. So Krishna has a big heart. We have a small heart. Therefore it is said God gives and forgives. We get and forget.